folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Well, we're into December now. We're just around the corner from Christmas. I've been focusing on appetizers and recipes for large groups. Well, what about snacks? That brings me to one of my old family favorites. I'd like to dedicate this video to my dad. It's his chip dip recipe. I can remember as a kid gathered around Dad, the kids sitting by his chair, just waiting to get in another dip of Dad's famous chip dip. Let's get to it. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's quick. To start off, you're going to need 250 grams, one package of cream cheese, which is about 8 ounces. Then I use a whole container of sour cream. It's about 500 ml or 2 cups. I've got the non-fat here, and the reason I use that, it's a little thinner consistency. I find it's better for dipping your chips in it. But if you want to use the full fat, carry on. Then I got 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. It was always a big discussion on whether to use Miracle Whip or mayonnaise. That's up to you. I like to use the Miracle Whip. It's got a little tang to it. And we're going to put in 1 cup of ketchup. And then 3/4 of a cup of finely diced onions. As fine as you can dice them up. Run through them a few times so they're nicely finely diced. Then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Now just take your time with this, mash it all up, use a fork. You'll see all those nice little bits of cream cheese throughout. That's just what you're looking for. Well, that was another simple and delicious recipe. I know you're gonna love it. The kids too. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't, just hit the red subscribe button or give me a thumbs up or both. Well, now I'm going to try the goods. Oh boy. I like to use the ruffle chips. Oh. Just like Dad used to make. Well, I hope you have a festive season. Thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya.
Well, it ain't easy living life the way I do. It ain't easy, baby, living life.